In this video, I'm going to show how you can easily create WhatsApp link. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So, let's get started. And first off, if you want to share your WhatsApp profile link to somebody on any platform, first off I recommend you to open up that platform. Let's say I want to share my WhatsApp profile link with someone on Telegram, so first off, I can open up Telegram and then get into some conversation. Cause the easiest way to share my WhatsApp link is just enter w.me/ and then my phone number that I use on WhatsApp. And after that just stop at send. That will create that active link, and if anyone will tap on it, they will be redirected to WhatsApp app. And then if they tap at message, they can start a conversation with me. That's how you can easily create WhatsApp link. Now you can write down in the comments if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.